So hello guys, this is first video on my channel and I am going to show you how to install Python on your computer, and if this video helps you then don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. So let's get started. So now open browser which you want to use. I am choosing Google Chrome. Then go in search box and type download Python and hit enter. After that just click the first link on the top and you will go in download page. And now just click yellow download button and your file will start downloading. Installation will be started and now just wait for a few minutes. And please don't forget to like video, it will motivate me to make more videos like this. Click the close button.
Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away.
Yes, our Python application is successfully working.
Come and fly away with me. 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 Come and fly away with me.
Make sure to subscribe channel and like video. See you all in next video. Till that, bye bye.